in this mountain is a $1 billion nuclear bunker.
We're 2,000 feet underground inside of a mountain.
And it can survive the biggest atomic bombs ever made. And I'm gonna show you the difference between this $50 million nuclear bunker, this $30 million bunker, and everything in between, starting with this $1 bunker.
Feels safe.
Let's see what's inside. Oh, it's wet. I'm gonna give you guys a tour of this bunker. The tour is over. It's basically a shipping container buried underground.
And already bending.
Which would explain why they sold it to me for $1.
I mean, it looks like it's already after the explosion.
Do you think this bunker would survive a bomb?
No.
Let's find out. Drop the bomb!
Wait, what?
The bunkers get crazier as we go. Let's head to the next one.
Next is the $1 million bunker. It was originally built to shoot missiles and survive a nuclear apocalypse far underground. But how do you even get inside? Well, after descending countless stairs and opening a 7,000-pound door,
Why is 7,000 pounds so heavy?
you reach the heart of the bunker.
Whoa.
Oh my God.
This kind of looks like Star Wars.
This room is where they would launch the missile from. This whole facility is designed to withstand a nuclear attack and then respond.
The floor we're standing on is actually suspended like a giant platform hanging from the ceiling above.
These 8 springs are the only thing holding all of us up right now.
It's crazy to believe that 50 years ago, this used to be like a missile command center.
But now, this man has turned it into a hidden fortified house that's ready for the end of the world. How did the government let you buy this?
Dude, there's a bathtub. How's the IQ of my friends compared to your normal guests?
I think it's lower, yeah. We're gonna go 2 floors down. This is the lowest point.
We are now 5 stories underground.
So, kitchen, entertainment area. But the best part about this is a club.
Whoa!
This guy actually throws parties 5 stories underground that Nolan is probably not invited to.
So I don't normally show people this, like,
Whoa.
no one sees this.
But he actually took us to a secret part of the bunker, to the nuclear silo, where decades ago, a real nuclear missile was stored inside.
No. Jimmy, come in here.
Whoa. Wait, what is this?
Is that safe over there?
No.
Wait, no, Carl, he said it's not. How bad would it be if we turned the lights off?
I mean, I actually don't know how we. Oh, dude, this is really scary.
I can't even see anything. What's crazy is we're just getting started. The bunkers later in this video are insane.
They just keep getting bigger and more expensive. But if you were going to try to build a bunker yourself, it might look like the one in this backyard, where secretly hidden beneath our feet is a bunker worth $3 million.
Follow me to this creepy shed.
Going into a bunker someone built in their backyard.
This is crazy. Whoa, this is awesome.
In terms of security, you've got like a meter of concrete above you. Other than a safe house, it is kind of a museum for my YouTube creations.
If you're wondering why this bunker is worth $3 million, it's because of this YouTuber's collection of insane and dangerous weapons.
That's a backpack flamethrower.
This guy's like a real-life Tony Stark. I mean, look at this wrist-mounted rocket launcher
Fires knives and has a taser in it.
and a machine gun with a chainsaw.
Oh my gosh, this is crazy.
Don't break into this bunker.
You did mention fire earlier. So,
Oh gosh, wait. Bro, we're in a bunker.
you come here.
Okay.
You can.
Oh! Oh my gosh! Ah!
I don't know if I feel safe with this.
Ah! Oh, this is terrifying!
You're gonna burn your bunker down.
Do you want to go?
Yes?
Oh my god. This is insane. This guy is crazy.
This would be the worst bunker in the world to rob.
Well, it's not just this bunker. There is another room.
What do you mean? I think this guy really likes digging holes. He has like a literal underground tunneling system.
Whoa. Wait, this one's bigger than the other bunker.
And there's one invention in here that's so dangerous, we saved it for last, just in case.
I'm gonna go over here.
But first, Colin showed me a cannon that turns anything into ammunition.
I mean, we've got bread rolls at the minute.
Here it comes.
Okay, just do it.
I'm about to do it.
Get it over with.
About to happen. Any second, he's gonna shoot it.
Just go.
Ah! This is awesome.
The whole toilet roll.
The whole point of a bunker is to protect you. But I can't say I felt safe once Colin pulled this out.
This is my spinning belt of knives. Don't get too close.
Whoa. Oh my gosh.
Especially after he started doing this.
Have you ever had a knife fall off?
No.
All right, turn it off. You could do that without having a spinning belt of knives.
Yeah, but this is so much better. Now, Jimmy, check this out. This is a freezer wave, the opposite to a microwave. So we get some Feastables. We shove that in there. We've got this little thing which blasts.
Whoa.
He couldn't wait to show us how it worked on some Feastables cups.
Done. Nothing is what it seems.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Frozen Feastables.
That's cool, right?
Yeah, well, literally. But as safe as Colin feels, there's no chance it compares to this island paradise $5 million presidential bunker.
Whoa! Why does it smell like cat pee?
It may not look like much, but in 1961, it was more than enough for one of the United States' most well-known presidents, JFK.
Oh my gosh. What? You're telling me that JFK only had this?
But yeah, now it's kind of a dump.
These are the presidential bathrooms.
You're telling me 5 mil.
But more impressive, we've got a $1 billion bunker so secure that it's the only place you could survive a nuclear extinction.
This is not very big.
I hope JFK never sees this video because he's gonna be like pretty upset at all the other cool bunkers.
I have a feeling he won't.
Now let's go from the bunker of the past to the bunker of the future.
Welcome to the $30 million bunker. This is a 15-story bunker.
It's basically an underground skyscraper, and it's built for 75 people to survive anything.
First of all, these are armor-plated steel doors.
The doors are 2 feet thick. How many RPGs would it take to blow through this door?
Probably 3.
And if that doesn't make you feel safe, there's a sniper nest on the roof, 24-hour security, and Larry's favorite,
Guns.
Oh my gosh. So you're ready for an invasion.
We aren't gonna let people steal our food.
Can I hold one? This bunker also has its own indoor shooting range. This is insane.
maybe this is all overkill, but if the world really did end, who wouldn't want to live here?
This bunker has a hospital, an exam room, a dentist office, a pharmacy. This is jail.
And 15 luxurious apartments, which we've actually seen before.
Dude, I remember.
5 years ago, we filmed a video where we did 24 hours in this bunker. We look so different.
When I was younger.
This apartment, 15 floors underground,
It's nicer than most people's not bunker apartments. Washer, dryer, this is awesome. And all the other amenities on the other 14 floors. Don't tell Chandler and them because they might get jealous, but I think we buy one of these.
Yo, Jimmy.
Oh, what's up? Hey.
I saw that there's like another
Yo,
room.
can you go check out over there?
There's enough rooms for all
here,
of us.
yeah, you guys check
I'll
that.
take this room, yeah? Jimmy, I'll take this room.
and if you're wondering what they eat down here,
This is our grocery store.
You really want this to feel like real life. This is crazy.
Y'all got bacon in a can?
What kind of bunker would we if you didn't have bacon?
In a can?
and if you don't want to try bacon in a can,
This is the entrance to the hydroponics.
this is one of the most important rooms in this bunker. Instead of dirt, hydroponics uses water to grow a variety of plants that would essentially produce infinite food for the residents. And finally, we made it to what could be the most protected pool in the entire world.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be honest, this bunker is at least 20 times better than every bunker we visited so far.
It had a pool, infinite food, a gym, and even an entire rock wall.
I don't know how it's gonna get better than this, but somehow there are more expensive bunkers. Let's go check them out. And now the $50 million bunker, which is underneath this ordinary house in this ordinary neighborhood. But if you look 30 feet underground,
You'll find one of the most expensive and most bizarre bunkers
on the planet. Let's go explore it. Inside here is just a normal house, but there's a secret code to open up the elevator. Blur this because I'll get in trouble if it shows it. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
And the elevator opens up. All right, you guys ready? Now we're going 3 stories underground. If you turn around, you can literally see them. This is like all the stone and cement. We're going down.
That's so cool.
This elevator takes forever. Okay. And, oh my gosh.
Whoa. How'd they fit all that in here?
This is crazy. This $50 million bunker is designed to look like you're not in a bunker.
Dude, hey, feel this carpet.
Is this carpet or grass?
I don't know, but it feels great.
If you're forced to be trapped in a bunker for 100 years, this is probably the bunker you would choose because it doesn't feel like one. It looks like you're outside.
They got palm trees 3 stories underground.
They have a Christmas tree, even though Christmas was 5 months ago. I guess they just leave it up all year. Let's kick this bunker tour off by exploring the house house that is in a bunker underneath.
Oh, watch out. Oh my God.
The guy who built this bunker is like 5 feet tall. Wait, Tariq, walk under it.
I'm good.
No, that's not a flex. You're sure? Oh my gosh.
What is this place?
Whoa, this is huge. This is way bigger than I thought it would be.
This is so fancy.
It does not feel like you're in a bunker.
No, I feel like I'm in a normal house.
Obviously, this bunker was designed in a way where if you had to live down here for decades, you wouldn't miss the outside world because it feels like the outside world. Bro, it literally looks like you're outside with the trees in the window. Surely if you own a $50 million bunker, you wouldn't care if I took a Diet Coke. Wait, how old is this? Oh God, Yo, wait. This expired 2 years ago.
It tasted so bad.
Hey, Google if I'm gonna die.
Yeah, I'm not getting anything.
Yeah, it's because we're 3 stories underground. Whoa,
Yeah.
where is this?
Yeah. Bro. Yeah, this is it. This is the room.
Wait, is this the video where we trapped Hugo and Rain in a bunker for 100 days to win $500,000? What do you guys think of Hugo and Rain?
They always fight. I like them.
What if I told you that was the signal for them to come down the elevator? And they're probably gonna be mad this bunker's way nicer than the one I put them in.
What the heck?
Welcome to the $50 million bunker.
Hey guys,
what do you think?
This is a bunker?
This is nicer than the bunker I built you guys. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
And don't drink the Diet Coke, it expired 2 years ago. Have fun.
Yes.
Don't fight.
Don't disrespect me like that.
You're so stupid. We won't fight.
We're watching your bunker video in a bunker, in a house in the bunker below another house. How does that make you feel?
What did you just say?
Don't worry about it, let's keep going. It didn't take long for Hugo and Rain to fall back into old habits.
It's all pink! Hugo, I promise, if this was our kitchen in the bunker, I would have cooked for you every night.
It is nice, but I still don't think you would have cooked.
No, oh my God.
Outside this house is a pool. We're still in a bunker, keep in mind.
Hugo!
Oh!
He just jumped in with socks on.
So far, my only critique of this bunker, the pool could use some heat. It's pretty cool. How different would your challenge have been if you guys had a pool?
Very different.
I don't think that would well. And to make this bunker even better, you guys loved our peanut butter cups so much that we decided to make an alternative version with hazelnut. They're only available for a limited time at these select retailers, so go try some before they're gone. And if you haven't already, try our peanut butter cups and tell us what you like more. They taste amazing. And obviously, it wouldn't be a hidden bunker without its own secret escape route.
That's the secret exit. Not sure if I'm supposed to show it.
And that brings us to last but not least, the $1 billion bunker, the most secure bunker on the planet, the Cheyenne Mountain Space Force Station. This bunker is shielded by over 2,000 feet of solid granite rock and can literally withstand the most destructive weapons ever devised by mankind.
What happens if we run down this tunnel?
Don't ask him.
They'll shoot you. Oh, I won't run down the tunnel then.
All right, let's do this. Now, usually, this is where we'd have a 3D map showing just exactly how this bunker is laid out. However, this bunker is so top secret.
I need you to put a lens cap on this camera.
Okay. I legally cannot show you anything like that from here on out. And if somehow you make it past the guards.
Can I hold your gun or no?
No.
Okay.
Carlos, don't ask that.
But can I hold it? You'll reach this massive nuclear bomb-proof door. Durable enough to protect you from the biggest and deadliest bombs ever created.
Whoa, wait, there's 2?
And if all of that somehow wasn't enough, there's a second one right on the other side.
If someone blew up a nuke out there and we were here,
We would be good.
So this is what we call the welcome wall. This is going into the compound now.
Does that say Space Force?
It does. You have Space Force here.
these are the 4 commands that operate outside of this bunker.
And to ensure the complete safety for these elite world leaders, this bunker is also designed to survive something far less predictable than any enemy threat, Mother Nature. And it does so by literally floating.
They carved out a gap between the mountain and the bunker and then put the bunker on springs.
So the shockwave of a nuclear attack or even an earthquake is completely absorbed.
Welcome to the most secure bunker on the planet.
All right.
We've gone through massive blast doors, walked for an eternity. I can't even tell you how far because it's classified. To get here, the most secure place on the planet. Let's see what's inside. And now we are at the what?
The battle deck.
Am I allowed to show all this?
Everything except for what's on the right.
That's definitely not a UFO. But to protect North America from an airborne or maritime attack, this is where the leaders of NORAD would be calling the shots.
This is where our general sits.
Oh, this felt like the general's seat.
Can I sit in the general
Absolutely.
seat?
Go ahead.
Okay.
Just don't touch anything.
I touched the chairs.
That's it.
Okay. I'm the general now. Tariq, ready the systems.
Yeah, sure.
Did you actually touch something?
You're not supposed to touch it.
Don't touch anything.
Tariq,
They've only told us like 30 times not to touch anything.
We gotta make sure for real.
It was.
Dude, he's gonna get arrested.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I am actually so sorry.
Tariq might have literally just got us kicked out.
Don't touch it again.
Okay, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Tariq, these buttons could launch missiles for all you know.
What's on the other side of those windows?
You wanna clap?
No way. Really? I just clap?
Yep.
Yo!
Stop it! Eric showed us the secret command post at the heart of the bunker.
All right, where am I?
You're in the AJOC, Alternate Joint Operations Center.
And it's responsible for protecting the air and sea of the entire North American continent.
With an unknown aircraft, how many minutes until fighter jets are tailing them?
Less than 5 minutes. Then we're getting into some dangerous territory.
I can read between the lines.
And because they're monitoring every potential threat, you know I had to ask.
Any UFOs? Possibly? You can't answer? He's looking at the ground. Oh, never mind. Different subject.
Got it there.
So I finally got permission to film a hallway. Cool.
Take it all in.
Now I need you to put the lens cap back on, Jimmy.
Really? All right, I'll see you guys in the next room.
While the number of people that work here is classified, I can tell you it has everything needed to keep hundreds of people alive for years at a time, including a gym, an underground grocery store.
Wait, so many people work in this bunker that you opened a Subway.
Correct.
I'm about to have the most secure meatball marinara I've ever had.
It also has its own fire station.
Yes, with fire trucks that drive on actual roads inside this mountain.
All right, hold up. Oh, let's not run with that.
No running with that.
I got you.
They usually practice on dummies, but we brought one of our own.
They better save me.
He's unconscious. Slap him in the face. Get him out.
Ow.
Sorry.
Lift me up!
Sir, how would you say we did?
Probably a 4 out of 10.
That's because we didn't do enough CPR. More.
Guys, I'm good! Some bunkers hide in backyards, and with enough money, hide under entire neighborhoods. Others go above and beyond and are so luxurious that they have their own water park. But none compare to this. An underground city with its own power grid, endless hallways, highways, and multiple lakes.
Whoa.
This bunker one day could be what defends North America and humanity.
One last thing I need you to do. Cover the camera.
Before I do, did you say the US military will hunt them down if they don't subscribe?
Absolutely not.
Okay, I tried. Thanks for coming out.